Welcome back guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about RDNT, RDNT updates with my customer request set. Let's dive in. Today I shared that idea about RDNT USDT trading pair on TradingView. So we'll come back to that post on TradingView later, maybe after a few weeks or months, to check if it's correct play now or not. So this is a monthly time frame, and we got the weekly gap, and technically it's almost the same like a monthly one. So let's go back to a weekly time frame. By end of this video, I would like to show you what's going on now with the whales position for that token. Really, it looks pretty interesting now. Personally, for me, I market that level. It's on the daily time frame, the buy line. I added even alerts for that token. So I hope the Ethereum BTC trading pair will play out and retest the monthly buy line, and it's going to be the significant support line for altcoins in general, right? And I think that in October, this week and the next one, this 1, 2, and the third candle weekly, we can form in the next week, I guess. And this is will be sweep, maybe sweep or retest of that low, which will form it in August 24. It's going to be the perfect scenario for RDNT. So from this current price, it can be like dump 20, I think 22, 16%. So around between the 16 or 25%. So let's say like this one. So it's hard to say. Of course, maybe will not drop to the buy line. Of course, guys, it's only up to you, but I'm not touching now any altcoins. I already bought the DWX and the Portal. So I'm waiting the Portal lowest point, what I marked before in videos. I waited the alt layer because the alt layer pumped it so much, and now I waited the correction. I waited the RDNT, so added to my watch list. So the watch list looks like this one. So it's gonna be pretty good one if we dump like this one. Of course, guys, it's just my take. We can see something like this one. Why not? We just work with possibilities. Nobody can know the future. So if someone tell you we have to drop to this level, hold the line, and only after that bounce up only because it's October, guys, be realistic. Don't live in that stupid, I really think it's stupid, crypto bro slang and crypto's cliche, you know, about some patterns, about some something happened previously. That's why we have to play out like this one. We support the line on the Bitcoin. That's why we have to move up only from this current price. Guys, take a look about all of that support line at some level. This is a 60K for Bitcoin. How many times we close that daily candle above the 60K level since March 24? Million times, and it means absolutely nothing. Absolutely mean nothing, guys. Don't be fooled when somebody tell you if we hold the line now about that level, it means something. It means absolutely nothing, guys. Don't worry about all that stupid predictions. You know, we work with possibilities, and you have a own plan and you have an own idea what are you doing with your own money or not. Unfortunately, that influencer with 1 million followers, of course, they share their own idea. Yes, of course, they can share it, but I don't get it how they always scare post. I was wrong. They always right, literally always right. So guys, I totally don't care if this idea playing out or not. I just mark my zone of interest for that token. If it's playing out, we drop it down to that line. Let me show you. This is take profit line. I will buy RDNT for speculation. So we dump it on the daily time frame on the fundamental price bounce, on the fundamental price bounce, and it would be good to retest the buy line. So this is the logic. I build the logic for that one. Can we drop lower? Oh, of course we can. I would like to see test 0.547. All lines are dynamic, you know, and with a weak sweep that low. Of course, we can dump to 50% of that range. It can be like around 410.78 from a value of that token now at the current moment on a daily. It's 410.10. It's more than okay to see even that low. Bullish targets. So take profit line. It's 10 cents 86. Which I think if everything will be okay, we can reach that targets. It's hard to say about the timing by end of April, May 25, I think. And here, this is going to be the break of structure, basically. We have to test the take exit line. It's at 12 cents 27, so it would be good to see something like this one on a chart. Now retest it. to close weekly gap. So the weekly gap is start 23 cents and then 29.50 and retest, for example, this support line, and then going higher to sweep that high, 42 cents, and technically this one like actual highs on weekly time frame. Of course, it's hard to say it's like actual highs, but yes, looks like something actual highs. If we go to the line chart, we can find out it moves like this one. So yes, the people who trade a classic TA, they can draw the trend line like this way, extend lines, right? And yes, it can be the retest of that with a weak candle. We can retest it, reject, breaking out, retest, and going higher. So this is my take for RDNT, and I think this idea will play out. Just matter of time. Just matter of time, because now a lot of people so bearish for that tokens. I'm not so bearish. I think everything will be okay for alts. Yes, we can dump like 20%, 40% more. It's more than okay. For RDNT, it was a signal to buy, bounce. So in that way, we on the weekly time frame we made like 36%. Now we got a signal to buy. We made like 52%, so you could fix a profit. So of course, after the fact, some people say, oh, we dump it lower. But guys, in a moment, you could fix the profit 50%. It's only your mistake, so you wait always to the moon, right? You can speculate the token. If you accumulate here, buy, here was a sell signal. If you accumulate it here, you build your average entry for the spot. For a speculation, of course, you can buy, sell. And of course, you can't use only one single indicator like trade on. No, you have to work in a complex. That's why we got a last one signal to buy. Here was a recommendation close position. And I would like to see one more sweep of that low, test the buy line. So I get a reason, I get factors for that entries on the spot, guys. Take a look, money power. This is what I like on that token now. Here was a money inflow. Take a look, money inflow, and that's time after money inflow. Of course, it's not some exactly till penny moments where we dump it to the bottom. No, but from in average, from that money inflow, we move like almost 100%. From the lowest point, it was over than 100%. We dump. So here was a money outflow. So step by step, the whales fixed the profit. Dump in March. It was a crazy signal to drop, right? But who could predict? So everybody waited the sell in May and go away even, but we got the sell in March and go away. And here's a money inflow. So this was accumulation. 1 month accumulation. So 4 weeks in a row accumulation, pump, then drop, buy on a weekly, money inflow again. So we can say that 6 cents is comfortable price for the whales. I would like to see one more drop, money inflow, and then pump. So that's it. And on the daily, it looked like this one. It was a money outflow, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4 money inflow. It's a good one. For me personally, it's my humble opinion. Market smooth. Capitulation. It's disbelief now. Weekly time frame, it's capitulation. It's good. For me personally, it's good. Even if we dump lower, of course. And for me, it can be like, let's say, here, that one 700% is good profit, guys. Don't be misleading with some influencer who tell you always here's the next 100x. Guys, many tokens will finish at that ride with 3,000% gains. So you can open the charts of previous cycles. Direction, no data now on the chart about accumulation. Daily one, of course, accumulation is starting from here, from April. The whales accumulate ADZ. What I like and what I don't like here was accumulation. And yes, we can format the warranty. The warranty on a daily and weekly. Here was accumulation, here was accumulation. So yes, so we format basically the, I would like to see the drop, even harder maybe. This drop, and form the biggest warranty on the weekly. So something like this. 5 cents, 3 cents. For me personally, it will be the comfortable price to buy RDNT. And the targets I showed you. So the first weekly gap, 29, like psychological price, 30 cents is going to be the first trigger, maybe where more than okay will be to fix some profit for that token. Next step is 42 and new all-time high. Nobody know where this token will stop. That's why, guys, after 100%, just withdraw initial deposit, leave free coins. That's it. I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. If you would like to trade with my custom market server or show it in this video, just write me a DM. See you next time, guys.